Experienced house contractor in Dublin, construction remodeling in Bay Area. Looking for an experienced house contractor in Dublin? Look no further than our company. We are knowledgeable and experienced in the industry. Are you looking for an experienced house contractor in Dublin to help with a construction project? Look no further than our company. We are knowledgeable and experienced in the industry, and our team is here to make your home remodeling projects easier and more stress-free. Our services include interior and exterior painting, flooring installation, windows, siding, roofing, decks, patios, etc. We also offer kitchen and bathroom remodeling services. Our team of professionals has years of experience remodeling homes in Dublin. We understand the importance of quality workmanship, so we take the time to assess each job carefully before beginning any project. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service at all times. From start to finish, we strive to make sure that all your needs are met. We understand that renovations can be stressful, so we do everything we can to ensure that the process goes smoothly from start to finish. Our team will work diligently to get the job done quickly while still paying attention to detail. When it comes to construction remodeling in Dublin, there are many companies out there offering similar services. So why choose us over other contractors? It's simple, we offer a higher level of expertise than most other companies in the area. Our team consists of experienced professionals who have years of experience working on construction projects both large and small scale. Additionally, our commitment to customer service ensures that you always receive quality workmanship at an affordable price. If you're looking for an experienced house contractor in Dublin for construction remodeling services, look no further than us. Our knowledgeable team has years of experience working on home improvement projects both big and small scale with great attention paid to detail at all times, all while offering excellent customer service throughout the entire process. Contact us today for more information about our services.